So what are we gonna make this dog do?
Maybe, I don't know.
Give the dog a sweatshirt.
Let's see if it actually works.
Do you think I have a Fortnite sweatshirt?
Oh yeah, it's definitely gonna be a Fortnite sweatshirt. Oh my, that's a
Whoa!
little more cartoony. Look, he's got like human hands now. Top left one, look at the screen. What is that? Like, it looks so much like Fortnite.
Look at the Lay's. It brought Lay's
Yeah,
into it.
Yeah, it's got a Lay's potato chips.
He
Oh
does
my
have a
gosh.
Fortnite hoodie. Yeah, what next? We could ditch the dog.
I don't know. Maybe a frog driving a Camaro or something like that.
Here, wait. What other car? I want to do a Porsche
Porsche 911.
But I want to do a Targa. I don't know much about these cars. I just know that one looks nice. Oh shit.
Oh my god. The bottom right one looks
Look
so
at
good.
This is so good. This makes me so happy.
He's driving to work, bro. He's having a nice Sunday. It's like a toy version of it too.
This
it's
is so
good.
cool. I'm just gonna download this.
We should put that one into Photoshop.
Let's do it.
Yeah, I want to see what it look like. Oh yes, our earlier work.
This is a gorgeous image. It's like a really nice Hot Wheels car. Whoa!
Oh wow, that's a perfect wallpaper right there.
Oh, I'm flabbergasted right now. Look, let's check out what else it could have done.
Oh my gosh, those look awesome.
This one's better, I think. Look at this down here. What is this though? Watch this.
Oh, we can fix that. That's like miniature water, you know, like when you zoom in on water, it's not like big water. That is like my favorite image ever.
The reflection is different.
Oh yeah, oh they changed the number plate. Literally me and Carter like did the same thing the other day. We're just like going crazy with this stuff. Oh my god.
Whoa!
Look at this cat, dude.
It's a can of Doritos.
Oh my goodness. It's a can of Doritos.